Everybody knows the name Clorox wipes, but it's going to be a few months before you can actually find these in stores. So what do you use in the meantime? Well, we have lots of different varieties of antibacterial or cleaning wipes, but are they all made the same? Well, short answer is yes and no. So Clorox and this Clean Cut disinfecting wipes, these two use Benzalkonium Chloride as a disinfectant. So about the same percentage inside of each one of these ingredients, so these match up pretty well. Another chemical that's commonly used is called Benzalkonium Chloride. So that's what these use, as well as these, Fresh and Clean, and the crocodile wipe, which comes in a big pack too. Last one we'll talk about is called Germaceph. They use ethyl alcohol like a hand sanitizer, but they also have Benzalkonium Chloride too. So all these have chemicals that help reduce or kill bacteria, but just a quick swipe probably won't do. In fact, the EPA recommends leaving them on a wet surface for 4 to 5 minutes. That's enough time for it to help dissolve the cell wall of the bacteria. So a lot of people want to know, how far does this actually clean? Well, it's 1 to 2 square feet, so roughly area right about here, and that's it. So grab another one.